Hi students, good morning everyone. Today now we're going to talk about Unit 1 Metallurgy. Your topic, very important topic, leaching process. Four type of leaching process: cyanide leaching, ammonia leaching, alkali leaching, and last one acid leaching. Okay, how many types of leaching process? Four types: cyanide leaching, ammonia leaching, alkali leaching, and acid leaching. First one, what is the leaching process? Leaching is the process in which the ore is concentrated by chemical reaction with a suitable reagent. Listen, leaching is the process in which the ore is concentrated by chemical reaction with a suitable reagent. Or the method is based on the solubility of the ore in a suitable solvent and the reaction in aqueous solutions. Listen. In this method, the crushed ore is allowed to dissolve in a suitable solvent. In this method, crushed ore allowed to dissolve in a suitable solvent. The metal present in the ore is converted to its soluble salt or complex ion, while the gangue remains insoluble. The following examples illustrate the leaching process. Listen, in this method, the crushed ore is allowed to dissolve in a suitable solvent. The metal present in the ore is converted to its soluble salt or complex ion, while the gangue remains insoluble. The following examples illustrate the leaching process. For example, Al2O3.2H2O. This is bauxite. Bauxite is a aluminium ore. Bauxite is a aluminium ore. The aluminium ore crushed in aluminium ore dissolved in suitable solvent sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a acid or basic solution. Therefore, alkali leaching. To form sodium metaluminate is a soluble salt. Next another one example, Ag2S alginatite. The Ag2S is a silver sulfide. Silver sulfide means a silver ore. I take NaCN suitable solvent. The suitable solvent NaCN in sodium cyanide. Therefore, this is cyanide leaching process to form soluble complex ion. Okay. Thank you. Next one, cyanide leaching. Let us consider the concentration of gold ore as an example. Let us the concentration of gold ore example. Gold ore is an example. The crushed ore of gold is leached with a dilute solution of sodium cyanide. Gold is converted into a soluble cyanide complex. The gangue, aluminosilicate, remains insoluble. Aluminosilicate is a gangue. The concentration of gold ore as an example, the crushed ore of gold is leached with a rated dilute solution of sodium cyanide. Gold is converted into a soluble cyanide complex. The gangue, aluminosilicate, remains insoluble. It's a flow chart of cyanide leaching. Gold ore. The crushed gold ore or the crushed ore of a gold is leached with dilute solution of sodium cyanide. The gold is converted into a soluble cyanide complex. The remaining aluminosilicate is a settle. The aluminosilicate is a gangue. AU is a gold. Cn is Cn minus is here, sodium cyanide, Cn cyanide leaching oxygen H2 to form soluble cyanide complex. Recovery of metal. Cold can be recovered by reacting the deoxygenated leaching solution with the zinc. It's a very important point. Oxygenated leaching solution. Deoxygenated leaching solution with zinc. Gold can be recovered by reacting the deoxygenated leaching solution with zinc. In this process, the gold is reduced to the elemental state, and the process is called cementation. Zinc is a deoxygenated leaching solution and soluble gold complex to form gold. Okay, next question. Recovery. Next one, recovery. So recovery flow chart. Gold soluble gold complex, soluble complex ion, gold complex ion treated with deoxygenated leaching solution zinc to form gold. This is called cementation. Next one, ammonia leaching. When a crushed ore containing nickel, copper, and cobalt is treated with aqueous ammonia. Under suitable pressure. Ammonia selectively leaches the metals by forming the soluble complex. This one. Nickel complex, copper complex, and cobalt complex, respectively from the ore leaving begin the iron 3 oxide and iron 3 hydroxide and aluminosilicate. What is ammonia leaching? When a crushed ore containing nickel, copper, and cobalt is treated with aqueous ammonia under suitable pressure. Ammonia selectively leaches these metals by forming their soluble complexes, nickel complex, copper complex, and cobalt complex, respectively from the ore, leaving behind the gang iron 3 oxide or iron 3 hydroxide and aluminosilicate. This is ammonia leaching flow chart. Crushed ore, copper crushed ore or cobalt crushed ore or nickel crushed ore. Crushed ore treated with ammonia solvent or ammonia solvent, crushed ore, copper crushed ore, cobalt crushed ore, or nickel crushed ore, leaching with ammonia solvent to form nickel complex, copper complex, or cobalt complex. Remaining iron gang is insoluble, iron 3 oxide or ammonium hydroxide and aluminosilicate. This is iron 3 oxide, iron 3 hydroxide or aluminosilicate is a gang. Alkali leaching. Next one, alkali leaching. In this method, alkali leaching is very important. In this method, the ore is treated with aqueous alkali to form a complex. In this method, the ore is treated with aqueous alkali form a soluble complex. For example, bauxite. Bauxite is a aluminium ore. An important ore of aluminium is heated with a solution of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a alkali solution. Na plus OH minus. OH is a alkali a base molecule. Therefore, this is sodium hydroxide is a alkali solution and sodium carbonate in the temperature range 470 to 520 Kelvin at 35 atmosphere to form soluble sodium metaluminate, leaving behind the impurities iron oxide and titanium oxide. Al2O3 is a bauxite, NaOH is a suitable solvent, alkali solvent, NaOH. This is called alkali leaching water to form soluble complex. The hard solution is decanted. This is salt solution is decanted, cooled and diluted. This solution is neutralized by passing CO2 gas to form a hydrated Al2O3 precipitate. This is hard solution. NaLOH4 is a hard solution. It is decanted, cooled, and dilute. The solution is neutralized by passing CO2 gas to the form of hydrated Al2O3 precipitate. The precipitate is filtered off and heated around 1670 Kelvin to get pure alumina. This is alkyl leaching flow chart. Bauxite ore, suitable solvent sodium hydroxide or sodium carbonate, heated with 470 to 520 Kelvin at 35 atmosphere to form sodium aluminum OH hot complex ion. The hot complex ion is solution is cooled and diluted, neutralized by CO2, passing CO2 gas to form hydrated alumina and heated 1670 Kelvin temperature to form pure alumina. And the last one, acid leaching. Leaching of sulfide ores such as zinc sulfide, lead sulfide, etc. can be done by treating them with hot aqueous sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is an acid. Therefore, this is called acid leaching. Zinc sulfide treated with acid solution and oxygen to form zinc sulfide and sulfur and H2O. In this process, the insoluble sulfide is converted into soluble sulfate and elemental sulfur. Zinc sulfide is converted into sulfate and elemental sulfur. This is acid leaching. So acid leaching flowchart. Sulfide was treated with hard solution of H2SO4 to form soluble sulfate and to form soluble complexes, soluble sulfate and the sulfate converted into soluble sulfate and elemental sulfur. Students, today homework. Wait, sorry. Students, today homework. Alkyl leaching and cyanide leaching. The alkyl leaching is a very important question and cyanide leaching is a very important questions. Alkyl leaching and cyanide leaching. Dear students, today homework, alkyl leaching and cyanide leaching is a very important. First, fully study. First, see and write 3 times. This question is very important. Therefore, see and write 3 times and take the photocopy. Send my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, students. Thank you. God bless you.